The goal of this video is to get all the birthday video greetings for my girlfriend Amy bago siya umuwi from Hong Kong. Let's see kung sasagot yung mga kaibigan niya to ask birthday greetings for her.
Hindi sumasagot.
Tingnan natin, makakuha tayo ng video greetings sa mga staff. Ito lang kung open pa sila. Nahabol ko lang. Yun. Bukas pa sila. So buti na lang, open pa yung OK Cafe. So nandito ngayon tayo sa Kaipian branch. And let's see how this birthday celebrant created an impact to the people that surrounds her. Hanapin natin si Hana. Saan kaya si... Yun.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Aim. Siguro one thing I appreciate you is yung genuine love mo for all of us.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Ames.
And thank you sa lahat po ng advice niyo po sa amin.
Thank you for the knowledge, wisdom, and yun, I love you.
Ma'am Ames, salamat po sa binigay niyo sa akin opportunity na maging barista. Happy birthday po. Thank you sa opportunity po.
Happy birthday po. Happy birthday, ma.
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday, Ma'am.
Happy
Ma'am.
birthday,
Happy birthday, Ma'am Amy.
Nagdalab ka namin, Ma'am.
Love you.
Thank you po sa lahat.
Hi, Amy! Happy birthday!
Hi, Ma'am Amy! Happy birthday!
Hi, Ma'am. Happy birthday. More okay to come and happy birthday.
Hi, Ma'am! Happy birthday!
And sobrang nararamdaman namin yon every day. Yung kindness mo, yung thoughtfulness mo para sa amin.
What do you feel pag nakakita ka ng Sea of Clouds?
I feel comfort. Life is so easy.
Off-road! Kinabahan! Umabot pa tayo. It's 6 kilometers away from Kaipian. So, malapit na tayo. 3 kilometers na lang. 7:14 na ng gabi. Dilim dito. Abutan pa kaya natin silang bukas.
Filled with highlights, and I want someone like you. I want paradise with the sunset. If I could only be with you. I want a good life filled with highlights.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Amy. Happy birthday po.
Wait lang.
Andiyan pa rin po kayo sumusupport sa amin.
Sure, good health, stay healthy. Basta yun, ma'am. Basta thank you.
I want a good life filled with
Bakit kami ngayon? Dito kami sa Batuhan. We're closer to the summit.
I want paradise with the sunset. If I could only be with you.
Tawagan yung kapatid niya. Let's see kung sasagot. Hello, Hana. Good evening.
Hello po.
Gising pa kaya sila mama mo?
Hindi na po eh.
Yung mga kapatid mo kaya?
Ayun din po, wala rito. Since birthday po nung isa kong kuya, nandun po ata sila.
Tingnan natin tawagan yung best friend niya. Tingnan natin ha. Sa Hong Kong kasi sila ngayon.
Thank you for being my best friend, my role model. Thank you so much for being there sa mga important events. Lagi ka nakagawa ng way to be there. It really means a lot to me.
Salamat sa mga natulong mo sa amin. Love you. Ito palagi. I miss you so much.
Thank you so much sa lahat ng sacrifice mo na nagawa sa family natin. So ayun, happy birthday. Stay strong sa inyo ni Kuya Ja. I love you so much.
Gaan mo lagi yung sarili mo. Sa dawan mo, sana siya na nga. Amin lang. Pangalagaan ka niya at huwag kang sasaktan. Love you.
Tulong mo sa amin, pagsusumikap mo na halos wala ka ng tulog, wala ka ng pahinga, kaya deserve mo naman minsan na maging masaya at deserve mo talaga na pagpalain ka ni Lord dahil sa napakabait mong anak. Kaya naiyak na ako na kaya tama na basta mahal na mahal kita.
Just want to remind you na huwag always work to work. Mag-rest ka din. I love you so much and I'm so proud of you. Happy birthday, sis!
Thank you so much for your support, mga road trips, and mga cravings na na-satisfy. Thank you so much, Ma'am. I pray for your health, you have a good health, and happiness, and more blessings to come. Thank you so much, Ma'am, and we love you.
Hi, Nak. Amy, happy birthday. Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Greetings all the way from Alaska. Happy birthday!
What's that?
Donut for Tita Amy. She'll be happy. She likes donuts. I love you. Happy birthday, Tita Amy. I missed you. Do you like a donut for your birthday?
Subscribe and watch this video so we can make an impact one life at a time.